So we've got this big old buggy of luggage, and then we run into this. So Tyler's like, oh, we get to use the the luggage lift. Oh. Here we go. Zoe wasn't filming, so now we're having to do a redo. Okay, now it's coming. See you on the other side. Well, looky there.
No. Can people ride that?
I know.
Well, someone's got to hold the button, I guess. Look at that.
We're staying at the Drury Inn on the Riverwalk in San Antonio, Texas. Room 735. This is a double queen with a terrace. So you do have a closet right here when you, let's see. Well, you got your ironing board in there. So with the mirrors and everything on the closet doors when you first walk in. We have the vanity right here with the sink and mirror, but it is separate from the shower and toilet there, so someone could be in here getting ready while someone else was in the shower. We do have a full shower and tub combo in here. We do have a dresser here. We have this stand that actually, let's see, this stand that actually has the microwave and the refrigerator inside of it. The TV. Got another desk over here with some outlets for charging, luggage rack, and another chair over here. Y'all decided that didn't pull out to, that's just a chair. Okay. And we got 2 queen beds with a nice painting of the Riverwalk here. Last but not least, we do have a view out the window here, but better than that, this is a terrace room. So we don't just have a small patio out here. So I kind of like it because it's a little bit closed in and a little bit open. But this is our city view for the next 3 nights. Now, this being in the city, they did charge for parking. There was a parking garage for the Drury, and you can come in from the parking garage straight into the hotel to the rooms up to the 4th floor, the girl said. But we are on the 7th floor because I did request a high floor. But I'll also show you the pool because the pool is on our floor as well. I wanted to walk out here real quick before it closes tonight and show you the pool. We've got plenty of chairs around here. Looks like it goes to about 5 feet. And it's got a small hot tub there on the end. You do have a small fitness area in here too. It's right beside where the pool entrance is. There's another room directly across from that that has some other workout machines in it, treadmill, ellipticals. We took the elevator down to the Riverwalk. I think, maybe. Maybe this is the way. Yeah, I would say this is the way. Oh, wow. There's one of the boats. We do have tickets for the boat ride that we can use at some point. So now we're gonna try to find a place to get some food. Just saying, I'm loving it here already, and we just got down here. So there's the boats that they use to cruise up and down the river.
Over on the right side, Aztec Theater. About 100 years ago, you would have seen brand new pictures from there. Buster Keaton. It's really over the top Aztec inspired decor.
It's so pretty out here. Well, there goes the carriage up there, Zoe. The horse, with the horse.
Yeah, the guy, it was Jeff and Florida and Rusty.
Oh, okay.
The horse is Rusty. Jeff is the guy.
Yeah, so apparently you can take horse and carriage rides here because somebody had already told Zoe whenever we were checking in, they would give us a, well, not give us, they would do a horse and carriage ride for us. What did he tell you, 110?
Normally 110,
Okay.
but for me, give me a good deal for 100.
Oh, good deal. How many people was that? Just the whole, whoever filled the
That's for
bus?
3 people.
3 people?
Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah, we get carriage for ourselves.
Okay. We're trying to find a Mexican restaurant. Oh, there you go. There's how you get on the other side, Tyler. Okay, I love this already. And we found the place that a friend of ours suggested to eat, which is Rita's on the river. So I believe we're getting here just in time to eat tonight, since we had a kind of late arrival since we went to the water park today. But from what I can tell, there's just about anything type food that you want here on the river. Oh, look how cool it looks. Checking out the menu here at Rita's. Looks like they've, of course, got margaritas. Can't go without that. Soups and salad. They do have burgers. And children's menu and dessert. On this side we have world famous fajitas. Tex-Mex favorites. Enchiladas. Appetizers. And tacos. Try to show back over it since got a breeze blowing under here. So I guess we'll decide what we're gonna have. And I want to show real quick what the drink menu looks like. So we've got, of course, the margarita. We got specialty frozen margaritas, traditional margaritas, bar eats. So there's some food on the menu there.
If you want to like try something else, you can, but you want to get the half pound of beef and half pound of chicken.
For our drinks, we all three went for the traditional margarita. Claimed to be so good on the menu. We have our salsa, chips. Just make a note that they do not give you the free chips on the table. I think he said these were going to be like $2.99, so but we don't really have anything different to share on our drinks because we all got the regular margarita. Food is out and we were just finishing our nachos, but let me just say that salsa is hot.
Yeah. But
I mean, for us not here from Texas,
yeah,
it's got a good flavor, but it's hot. I got the shrimp tacos. They look really good, but I don't know if I can eat all of that. Now, Tyler and Zoe split the fajitas, so they got the 1 pound, but they got half chicken, half beef, which comes with the beans and their toppings and their tortillas and rice. We're gonna dig in. That about ends our day. That we started in Galveston, went to Schlitterbahn in New Braunfels, stopped at all those Buc-ee's that you saw us stop.
Buc-ee's, Kiwi Buc-ee's.
Yeah, stopped at Buc-ee's, and we just had dinner here, a late dinner at Rita's on the river. Delicious. They said the fajitas were like some of the best y'all had.
Yeah.
They did the half beef, half chicken. I had the shrimp tacos. They were very good, very filling. I really couldn't eat all 3 of them. Just keep in mind, as far as the salsa, you did have to buy the salsa. We come from where we're at. You just get free chips and salsa.
They just throw it on. It's already on your table when you get there.
But highly recommend. I actually eaten here at Rita's. We had a friend that suggested that. I asked her today when she texted me about some other stuff. I was like, so what about Mexican on the Riverwalk? But we're gonna walk back to our room, and that's the nice part. We're literally just gonna walk back right back to our room, get ready to end Tuesday here on our trip. So stay tuned for Wednesday. Be sure and follow Wishing Mouse Zoe. She'll have some videos out from this. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. We put stuff on there all the time. And so does Zoe on Instagram, not just YouTube. She's always putting stories on Wishing Mouse. But we will see you guys in the morning. Bye.